What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video, guys. So today's video is going to have a couple of installs. So one install is going to be obviously what you can see right now, which is a Turbosmart plug and play blow valve. It does not vent to atmosphere. I need to really start looking here, not here. But it's going to not vent to atmosphere, so because I've been having boost problems. My buddy Nick, if you guys remember, he is literally hitting like 25 pounds of boost on our stock turbo, but I have only been hitting like 16, and I think the highest 17. So I think there's a problem there. So I went ahead and went on American Muscle and got this, which is going to be on the screen, for a pretty good price. Nothing crazy, but it's a plug-and-play system that I will be showing you guys. Pretty much going to be showing you guys how to install it. And then another thing that I got is kind of some cosmetic stuff with the interior. As you guys know, I want to start doing interior stuff on the car, carbon fiber if possible. I have a couple people who want to I want to get a new steering wheel because my steering wheel is disgusting, and also some other stuff. So hopefully I can do that, but videos might be a little bit shorter, guys, just because life happens. No, I'm not having a kid. But getting a house, because this apartment is not the business. As you guys can clearly see, this is too small. So soon, hopefully that's them right there delivering my package. Saving up to get a house, so videos might be a little bit slower. Hopefully I can get some more installs for you guys, maybe some reviews. I'm not too sure, but with all that being said, let's go ahead and install this part right now. Maybe the next day, or maybe the next slide for you guys, but should be coming today. It is 11/27 on April Fools of all days. Probably might upload this on the 2nd, which would be today for you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in a second. This is the Turbosmart. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is a EM plumb back blow valve from Turbosmart. It's the compact. So let's go ahead and unbox this right now. We are here in the car. Actually, while I'm thinking about it, let me go ahead and pop the hood, and let's go ahead and unbox this as we see it. So let's go ahead and go to FaceTime real quick. Alright, so we are here inside of the car. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing real quick. Doing this with one hand, which is really difficult, especially in the car. So it comes with the actual Allen bolts that you need. Comes with, ooh, I got a Turbosmart sticker. What? Extra 10 horsepower. And I think it comes with instructions right here. Looking for instructions. Access fitting instructions directly online, which is dumb because I actually know how to install this already. And here is the Turbosmart blow valve. So let's go ahead and get out of the plastic and we can check it out. And there's the O-ring right there that you'll need. Go ahead and take that out. Yep, here is the O-ring. Let's set that right there. And here is the blow-off valve. So as you can clearly see, it's heavy duty. I mean, you guys can't feel it, but it does not vent back to atmosphere, so it's going to keep all the boost in. So yeah, let's go ahead and grab some tools, and let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Okay, as you can see, we're going to be taking off this guy right here and replacing it with this guy. So we're going to need some Allen keys. Allen keys. And I don't even know what size these are, but let's go ahead and get this installed. There's 3 Allen keys, and then you need a 5.0 Allen key. So go ahead and take off all 3, and then unplug this little pigtail. Alright, we got this off. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this guy on. We're gonna go ahead and pop him on first, and then we're gonna add the pigtail. So, go ahead and slide him. Oh, don't forget your O-ring. O-ring goes over here. Nice and flush. And then, I'm gonna go ahead and slap her in here. Grab your new hardware and slide it all in there. Sorry for the wind noise. And the gardeners. Get everything nice and hand tightened down. And then we can go ahead and put in the pigtail. And then your install's done. I always like to just change up my hardware to the better stuff if they provide it. If I can get my hand in there. I'll do this one. It's always a tight fit. Once you get all these guys in there, then you'll be good. All right, everything is pretty much in. It's just these 3 screws need to be tightened down, and then you can go ahead and plug in your pigtail. But for my problem is there is one screw back here that I cannot just get to. Just the angle, but I'll figure it out. While we're thinking about it, let's just go ahead and put this pigtail in. Let's connect these wires. Put them in the right way. Golden. And then after you tighten down that last nut, you're done. So then go ahead and start the car, check for anything, and then you should be straight. We'll go ahead and start the car right now, just clarify, like right now. Whew, okay, now the blow valve's back on. That one nut is just so hard to get to. It's just so tight back there. So let's go ahead and turn on the car. And if you guys haven't seen already, on my Instagram, I did do a little light mod on the car. I put in a carbon fiber. I don't know why it's not focusing. There you go. A carbon fiber cover for my button. So that was pretty cool. But let's go ahead and turn on the car. So far, no codes, no nothing. And we're going to check the access port right here to see if my boost well, everything seems to be fine. So yeah, hope you guys like that install. If you guys want, the part number is, I think, 408271. So yeah, Turbosmart. All American Muscle. Guys, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna pop this sticker on somewhere. Not sure where. Don't have any room anywhere else, but I'll figure it out. But if you guys enjoyed this video, guys, please go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when videos do come out, and I'll catch you guys all later. Peace out.